I know that I hit you with a full-on attack. Rock, 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 rock. Never pull no punches, it was full contact. Rock, 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 rock. Now we enter the place I win, I want bring it back. In it, rock, 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 rock. Hit you in the house, I mean a deep impact. Rock, 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 rock. I never meant to hurt you. I'll do the things some people do. I know I've hurt you.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Sa i-review ito ang preliminary exam sa ito ang subject HPC 5. So, as you can see here, nanatay 189 ka responses. Meaning, 189 mo kabuk na nag-answer ani. Di po kabalo kung kinsay wala pa nag-answer or nag-answer. By the way, here, makita na to pila inyong points, pila average, averaging mo og 51 points. So, muna siya. Actually, naitabuan ni, wala ginaw sige close atong pag-ingon ako nga 12 PM. Kay, just to consider you, Tagalagyo or one mo para kita sa messenger. But I appreciating katong ingon na nga mag-text kung may mga concerns. So, shout out ilang kay Zaira, Aubrey, Jeza, Darshel, Kathleen, May Anjoy, Glenna Jean, and Shubi May. So, ang katong manas messenger din ako i-shout out kay ingon na ako text nya messenger mo. Anyways, ang uban gi-replyan na nako through messenger tungod kay other networks mo. Globe and TM naman akong only text. So, kani. Natin mga frequently missed questions diri magita pod nato pila ang mga correct responses out of pila kabuk nag-answer. Also, kita nato pila diri sa example section code. Na balance nato diri ang mga nag-answer. So, natay 39 sa B308, natay 31 sa B300, natay 41 sa B266, natay 39 sa B275, ug natay B289. 39 sa B289. So, napod ang mga name of students, nag-answer sa tanan. So, muna sila tanan. So, makita na diri mga names of students. By the way, marag napay wala nag-answer. So, shout out Janru and Rensmel. Shout out sa inyo ha. O, kinsa pa ba diri? Anyways, makita na itong mga questions and mag-review ta ani later on. So, nganong ka na ang answer, nganong dili ka tong isa. For example, sa number 1. Nadiri sa number 1, it is anything that helps the business meets its aims. So, the correct answer is business tool. Na nag-answer nga 169. But naputi nag-answer ng wrong answers, which is 1 and 2, 14 ka buok, og 6, totally 20. So, ngano kaha technology ilang gi-answer? Ngano consumable? Ato na i-review sa next na ito nga video. So, mo ni atong i-review later on. Daghan ka na siya. So, diri sa ta mag-una sa mga comments. Kay, before ta mag-review, gusto na mabalan ano yung mga comments. So, na diri. Ano to? Okay. Pinaka-last. Okay. Nasa end of exam, ako ikuan dito. Unsa inyong mga comments, feedback, suggestions for the improvement of our class. Because I know 2 months ko nawala. And karon 2 weeks pa gani ko. Suspended na po ng klase for 2 weeks. So, sinako rason ani nga nung ninani ni. Tao eh. Diri, kita na yung mga comments. Why did I include this? Because I wanted to improve sa ato ang lessons kay yung pala ko, the student can only be as good as their teacher. So I should be improving and improving so that you as well will improve. Wait, excuse me. So, dito sa inyong mga comments, feedback, and suggestions. By the way, dili mo makaproceed sa submission if di mo mag-answer. Kay required man siya. So, para ano yun, nag-answer og none. Sure ko mga lalaki ni. None so far. Good. None. None. Nothing. Nice. Not applicable. Thank you, sir. So, lang mga comments. Gabi ka nice. Maka-motivate gid kayo. Balik na pagid dire. Thank you, sir. I have no suggestions at all. None so far. This one is good but it irritates me. I accidentally pressed the back button, button, okay, of my phone, and then I have to start again, which is waste of time. Though we are high tech nowadays, how about those students who don't have permanent internet access? But 1 to 10, I rate this one 9. Okay, so we all know na nagiuban lugar na internet pero dili maka-connect sa internet, or naunti pang afford pang internet pero wa man yung internet signal. So it's okay. So we should accept the fact yun we need to use technology. Moging karon ga online na ta. So hinahingi ta mag-adjust. Interesting and exciting, hands-on in the business tools. Mas makasabot ni sir kay direct to the point imong pag-discuss. Hala, mas makasabot. Bot tay. Hands-on sa business tools. Ayun na to. I have no comments or feedback in this subject. None so far. Thanks, sir. My pleasure. In our class, it is very good idea of having a not so boring discussion. It may boost the alertness of the students that is listening. So, ato na improve son kung makabalik pa tas klase. So, I like this subject. Thank you. There is none. Online exam is not good, especially if the person is not online every day. But online exam again siya. You don't need to be online every day. You just need to be online. Diba? May deadline. There's no need to be improved. There's no need to improve because I enjoyed the subject and I really had a great time in answering the online exam. Daghang salamat sa imo, sir. Ay, my pleasure. So far, so good. No comments. It is interesting and it can give more knowledge on how to handle business tools in the field. Very good. The topic should be hard. Wow. The topic should be hard. Dapat gid ako. I'll try my best. Audiovisual presentation is one of the best means that will drive out our imaginations to the reality of this subject. Though the said, we were able to see visually new business tools that is necessary for the increasing growth of a business. By this, we can use these learnings in our future work so as to our respective future businesses. I hope. I really love it. Huh? Say huh. Keep up the good work. Online exam are least hassle. But it is not good if other students have no internet connection in their home. At least not internet. Sila, ningkamot na sila. More information about the subject and hope we have actual work in the subject. I hope too. Nothing to improve, sir. Dapat na. Makalingaw ang uban choices by haha. Ano? Nothing. The subject is pretty hard to understand if you focus on the topics word by word and not the whole meaning of it. No comments. It is one way to have an efficient examination through online forms because we can answer it anytime, anywhere. However, students will be able to look to their notes while taking this kind of exam, which may sound unethical because the instructor won't be able to look after them, not unless they are advised to. Actually, tuyo na nga online para magtanaw mo sa inyong notes. Diba? Diba sa pagbalik-balik niyo basa sa inyong notes na may madumduman. So, I hope hindi niyo consider as unethical. Sudpud kung online exam mo din yung tao mo nga ayun pagtanong sa inyong notes. Tanaw yapon mo. Yapon. So, tanaw mo. Okay na. Balik-balik yung basa. So far, so good. No need to improve. Thank you. Everything is good. Thank you, sir. Thank you, too. It was a nice technique. I really enjoy answering the test. While answering, I am learning. Sakto. And in regards to the improvement, there is no need to improve. But I noticed that there is one word, I think, in page 2 that the spelling is wrong. I think it is list. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Ako na i-check. Wrong spelling pud ka. Improve dapat, walay D. Libog kayo, sir. Hala, bawal malibog. Please do teach us difference between human enhancement and human judgment. Isa. Okay, sa review na to ato nang ma-tackle. Okay, ato man ipang review. Preliminary exam through online is my first time and it is a very challenging experience. Of course, very good. I can learn more about business technologies. I'm not familiar with some of the questions. It's okay. I like the way instructor teaches us. I define it easy to understand during the class discussion. Keep it up. Thank you and God bless. Flee, fla, flow. Sa vista. Kung maminyo ka, sigurado ka nga maestro. None so far, na E. Difficult but helps me study and remember the lesson well. Of course, magbasa yun ka. Keep it up. Okay, sure ko lalaki ni. None. Chuy kay kubay, haha, nice ka sir. Okay. Nothing to change or improve. Thank you, sir, and God bless you. Thank you. I think I'm going to fail. Don't think of it. You will not. Happy that we have an instructor like Sir Timay. Someone that we could lean on or share our different problems to him. Dungagi pa yun. Wow. Sure ko lalaki na po na. Lisod sad baya. Ditubag na din siya. Lisod kaayo, sir. Sakto. Kaya ano lisod man? Kay some topics of this exam are not discussed yet. Possibly. Mo naghataraw handouts or I don't know with the previous topics. Nice. What I like about that subject is that it can teach us about the usage of tools in the business which can help us with our future. And the other says nothing. There are times that the students don't have any internet connection and only rely on low data. Please minimize using technology as a tool for the examination. Thank you for your hard work. Saon man ni karon nga COVID naman. Kita kas kailan mag one ta kung may internet. Make sure wa kay virus. Nice one. It's really good. None, sir. Good. Una nagsamon da permi, sir. Haha. Unta. Where can we see our score, sir? You will see later. No comment. It is convenient, especially we are in situation that cannot be controlled. Huh? Nice subject. I can learn a lot in this subject about business tools that we use in our industry. Fun and more exciting. I suggest that we need to experience the actual of these subjects so that we can learn easier. I hope so. Let's pray nga mawala ang coronavirus. None. Next way of taking an online exam. Kudos. Sorry sir, late tina ang PLDT. Kanon sa pa na tarong ang PLDT. Sir, late. Muna daw. Okay kayo, sir. Thank you. Ayos. This type of exam is very convenient for us students. We can study in daytime and answer the exam at night or anytime. It gives us enough time to study. Thank you, and I hope these types of exam will continue due to NCOV outbreak. Tumalag walay online basta wala NCOV. It's really good. It actually helps us on how to use technology in an amazing way. Thank you, sir. Thank you too. Very convenient. God bless everyone. No comments, sir. Nice. I think wala man ata. Anyways, I salute you, sir. Much appreciated all the words of support, encouragement, and kindness from you. Yeah? Okay, kayo. Lisod kayo ang exam, sir. Naglisod may pagbuhat. Gabi ka lisod. Pila kadlaw. The test was challenging and gives student enough time to think and understand every question. Libog. I really appreciate all the questions because all are multiple choice and some questions out there are slightly difficult for me because it was not yet discussed in class. Sorry, but overall are very good. It helped us to gain more knowledge and experience in using technology. Thank you, sir. Nothing, sir, and God bless. Thank you. Thank you too. I really like it, sir, when you relate class lessons to our real life situations. Thank you also, sir, for listening to our concerns. It's my pleasure. Continue for being a good instruction to us, sir. Napay 67 pero di na sa ato discuss. Di na taman kay makita na din dito sa itong nagkuhan. So, katulag sa the next time, we'll review na the exam para makabalot ang ano wrong to, ano correct to. But still, any questions or comments, suggestions, comment lang yun. Okay? Thank you.
I know that I hit you with a full-on attack. Rock, 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 rock. Never pull no punches, it was full contact. Rock, 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 rock. Now we enter the place and we now want bring it back.